Mm. Yeah. Yes. This is it. Take this leaf so that. Oh. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Please support me and subscribe to my channel. My name is Chi Africa, Ndirumkunda we Africa, and Mukunda means the daughter, and I'm the daughter of Africa. So today guys, I'm going to prepare food. I want to cook pumpkin leaves and yams. Stay with me so that you can see what I'm going to do today. I'm starting by harvesting yams. So let's harvest together. Look at this, guys. This is a good catch. Look at it. Wow. I'm getting something here. Yeah. This is all right. This one. This is the big one. See? The big one. I'm going to enjoy myself today. Remove this and the roots. Make sure you remove the roots and these ones. If you want to plant some yams again, you can use this. As you can see, guys, this is a shoot. They are enough for me. You see this? I like it. Remove this. Yes. As you can see, guys, our soil here is red. So I have to make sure my basket is not going to be stained by red soil. How am I going to achieve that? Let me show you. So guys, I have to get this. I can get this leaf, this one, take this leaf so that I can place these leaves into my basket. The basket. Like this. Yes. So it will be. So guys, it's time to get pumpkin leaves. Let's get the pumpkin leaves together. My basket is here. This is it. So let's get the pumpkin leaves. I'm going to take this. This is our nanga, our pumpkin. I'm sure this one is so sweet. I'm going to use this basket to harvest, to carry the pumpkin leaves. What is this? Yeah, what is this? Let's harvest the eggplant again. Titina. Let's go. I hope my camera is clear. I'm done harvesting. Let me get something. I like this flower, guys. I like the white blending with the green color. I really like this flower, guys. Look at it. It's a very nice flower. So guys, this is the status quo of our garden, and we are being lazy to do the things that we are supposed to do. I'm getting this flower here. I like it. Wow. How is it, guys? I'm looking good. Fresh flower. Let's get pepper. Red ones here. Let's get the red ones. We also want the green ones. So two enough. Let me see. I don't want these ones, the smaller ones. I don't want to get them. I don't want my pumpkin leaves to be full of chilies. No, these ones are good for me. Let me check if I can get the green ones. So here, there's this, the green one. Let me take this one. Where can I get another green one? There's this one. It's small, but no, let me take this one. Yes. You have to remove this part. This. Yeah. This is it. And make sure you remove the skin of the yam. But if you want to cook your yams with skin, it's okay, but you have to make sure that you do this, or to use something to scratch on top of the yam, so that this black thing will be able to be removed. You have to remove this black thing using something. Yeah. Good at English. Repeat it. I want to cut them, especially the big ones, these ones. This is how I cut them. And I do this again. Cut them like this. This is the result. I want to remove some water. I'm sure I put. Let's add a little bit of salt. Close the pot. Let them cook. This is it. Let's check what is going on with our pot. Oh, look at it, guys. The yams are so rich, and they are very fresh from the garden. The pot is boiling. Look at it. Wow. Oh, Lord have mercy. Let me see. Oh, it's boiling now. The pot is boiling. I prefer to cut the leaves, but some people just cook them as they are. I'm going to leave this pot here so that it can simmer. Then I'm going to use this one to cook pumpkin leaves. So I have to move firewood to this side so that this pot can cook. I'm going to add water. That's how I cook pumpkin leaves. After adding salt, pumpkin leaves. We have some nuts at my place. This is it. So you take this one inside, you crack it. So for you to know that the nuts are ready, you see the cracks, then you know that the nuts are ready. This is it, and this is the shell, as you can see. So you do this. This is it, as you can see. So you eat it. Add the cooking oil into the pot. Yes, like this. Onion into the pot. And yeah. Go away, Blake. Excellent. So I'm going to add mayonnaise. Yams. Yeah, you have wow. Food. It's time to share the food. Do you want this one? Yeah. This is my favorite juice. Peach, mazoe peach. Let's pour into the glass. I like peach so much. I'm sure this is enough for me. This is it. I've diluted the drink. I'm done sharing the food, so it's time for me to enjoy the food. I like this.